Welcome to the future of studying. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own personal AI-powered study assistant using completely free tools. Imagine having an assistant that can help you organize your study schedule, summarize complex notes, and even quiz you on important topics, all without spending a dime. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up your virtual study assistant. First, let's get the core of your AI-powered study assistant up and running. We'll use Google Colab, a free tool that lets you write and execute Python code in the cloud. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open Google Colab and create a new notebook. 2. Install the OpenAI Python package by typing pip install OpenAI into the first cell. 3. Once installed, sign up for a free OpenAI API key, then paste it into the script. 4. With the setup complete, you can now create an AI assistant that will answer your study-related questions. For example, you can create a function that asks your AI assistant to explain complex topics, like chemistry or math formulas. We'll respond with an easy-to-understand explanation. This assistant will be your go-to for when you need clarity on tough subjects or even want quick definitions. Simply type your query, and the AI will handle the rest. Step 2. Automating notes and summaries. Now, let's move on to simplifying your study material. You don't need to spend hours reading through textbooks when you have Notion or Evernote and an AI summarizer. 1. First, upload your lecture notes or textbook chapters into Notion or Evernote. Both are free and perfect for keeping everything organized. 2. Next, we'll use Hugging Face's Transformers model to summarize content. If you have the raw text, simply use an API to summarize it automatically. Example, use Hugging Face's T5 model, which is great at summarizing long passages into digestible chunks. 3. You can copy-paste your lecture notes into the Hugging Face interface and get a concise summary in just a few seconds. This is a huge time saver when you're going through dense content. Now, you'll be able to break down your study material in no time, focusing on the most important points. Step 3. Using AI for quizzes and flashcards. Next, let's take your studying to the next level by creating custom quizzes and flashcards, automatically. 1. Start by taking the key points from your summarized notes or lecture slides. 2. Use a tool like Quizlet to create flashcards. You can import your content into Quizlet, and it will automatically generate flashcards for you based on what you input. 3. Or, if you prefer quizzes, use ChatGPT, free tier, to generate quiz questions. Simply paste the key concepts, and ask the AI to create multiple choice or true, false questions. This can be a fantastic way to test your understanding of the material. You can quiz yourself or ask your AI assistant to generate random questions as part of your study routine. Step 4. Task and time management. We need to make sure you stay on top of everything by managing your study time efficiently. This is where AI can help streamline your productivity. 1. Use Google Calendar and integrate it with a free AI tool, like ChatGPT, to plan your study schedule. Ask the AI to break down your week based on your study priorities, and it will suggest the best times to tackle specific subjects. 2. You can also set up reminders in Google Calendar for study sessions, assignments, or exams, ensuring you stay organized and on track. By using AI to schedule and automate your tasks, you'll never miss a study session again. Step 5. Putting it all together. Now that you've got all the tools in place, you have a fully functional AI-powered study assistant. From personalized explanations and summaries to custom quizzes and a perfectly organized study schedule, this setup will take your productivity to the next level. The best part? It's all free. You don't need to spend any money on expensive tools. Just combine these free resources, and you've got yourself a powerful, AI-driven study system that will help you ace your exams and manage your workload like a pro. Conclusion: thanks for watching. Now, go ahead and build your own AI-powered study assistant using these free tools. Let me know in the comments how it works for you, or if you have any other tips to make studying even easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on how technology can help you study smarter, not harder. Happy studying!